In this video, we are going to see how we can fix this problem that in Roblox, it says your chat settings prevent you from sending messages. Here's a quick solution on how you can easily resolve this. First of all, you head over to the roblox.com on your browser. Just access it from your browser. And from here, you click on the settings and gear icon. Click on the settings again. And in here, you see this privacy and content restrictions, right? So you click on that, click on communication. From here, we choose experience chat. And from here, you just make sure that the experience chat is set to on or everyone, whatever is the option. And the direct chat should be enabled as well. You just go back and under the party, if there are the settings off, you turn that on as well. And after that, just exit out of game, whatever you're playing in the application or in the browser. You just exit out of it and basically load the game again. And you should have no problem running it. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.